So here we are. We have an opening which widens in the back, and we did buy an oak door, solid oak, antique, for €7. It's great. And then that got me thinking, but that's a solid door. So we have two solid doors. One that's from the Chateau, one that we bought. And then we have the old front door of the farmhouse, which has actually two glass panels. They're not there anymore. It's a long story. So let's see what we have here. So that's 88. Let's see. And that's 94. So it really opens up into the space. Shall we have a look, Stuart, at the options we have?
Yeah, let's see what we have and see how they measure up for that.
So we have one right here, which is actually standing here for a while. Now, this was the door that was in the front of the farmhouse, which would, of course, bring in a lot of light.
Right.
It's 89, 90. So this could be either set backwards, or we could cut this door down, which also means we have to switch this.
Right, because it's
the lock.
It's swinging the wrong way.
It
correct?
is.
Yeah.
So we have to change a bit.
Yeah.
Both sides, the hinges and the lock. So then the lock wouldn't work, but we have a lock that is early 1800s, which is upside down. So you put in the key upside down, and then when you want to unlock it, you turn it so as if to lock it, which would be perfect for here. So we actually have that. And we also have the frame that went with this, that we could cut to size and the door and then fit it into the space. So that is a good option.
Yeah.
The story behind this, shattered, because it was not shattered, was two of our dogs saw a lizard and it was leaning against the wall. And they saw a lizard running behind that door. They're about this big, the lizards, not the dogs. And they went right after it, and the door just fell. No one got injured. But
Right.
so hence we need new glass, but we would have needed it anyways because this is very thin, flimsy glass.
Right, so we can actually replace it with a nice thick glass.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's a little bit of restoration needed, filler, and a coat of paint, and then the glass. That's a really good option.
It is, and it's a really nice. I like that door,
Yeah, it is really quite pretty.
and it is reusing something that was already here at the Chateau, which
Yes.
I like. So, okay, what other options do we have?
Let's go to the workshop.
Okay.
Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Goldfinch. Another door, another option. Let's see. This is 85, so it's a bit, it's about, well, altogether this much narrower. Still would have been to cut back a little bit. We have the frame for this door, meaning two big oak pieces that we need to cut to size that can go into the door opening. I don't know. It's again. This was the door that was here. It's solid oak. It's incredibly heavy. Lovely. But what it doesn't have is a window.
Right.
So of course we could, take the wood out and add a window or a double window. That's an option. What do you think?
Yes, it is. I don't know. Out of the two, I still think that it might be easier to get the other one fitted in, and it already has the glass in it. So.
Right. Shall we? Sorry. Go
We
ahead.
have one more option. than
Yes. Shall we
Millington.
carry that door from the carriage house over to here real quick?
Sure. Okay, let's do that.
So what a difference a comparison makes. This door is way too short. It's another Hobbit door.
Yeah, we don't need another door that you're going to hit your head on when you go
Okay.
through. So,
One day you're in, the next day you're out. You're out.
so yes, we have now have eliminated that door.
Okay, we're down from 3 to 2.
Okay.
The one thing, so this is a standard. Well, not standard. It's not, but it's almost 2 meters, so that's fine. It is in 77, so 79 centimeters. And it has been switched around already. So the hinges used to be here on this side, and the lock was on this side. Then someone changed it. Now we would have to change it back. The only disadvantage of this is that we don't have the frame for it.
Right. Two actually, and the other one is that we would still have to put in glass for a window in it as well. So it would be both those things.
But it's a nice door. I mean, we paid
It is a
7
nice
euros
door,
for
yes.
it. And
That's the one that we got at the Emmaus.
yes.
Right.
So I think, now let me see. So we have this as part of the door with the windows. That of course all needs to be rebuilt for the size that we need. But this is, so we have already a template.
Right.
And switching that door around, it's a little bit of a project, but I think it's well worth it. And having glass. I mean, having daylight coming in, and who knows what we do with the space in the future. I mean, it's right now it will be maybe a couple of years for just storage.
Right. And the other thing that we want to mention is that with the size of the frame, that we would be putting a transom over the top of it as well.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, because it's actually, looking at it, it's tall and it's so crooked. This is amazing.
Yeah. Well, everything here is. So.
Everything here is, but so we would have both sides of the frame as a template. Again, these two pieces are not for this door.
No.
Just to make
They're for
that-
the one that has the glass in
Right.
it. Right.
Well, it's interesting. I'm tending to agree with you that the one with the glass would be the best choice. Can we do this though?
Well, all we can do is try. Right.
It's true. Well, that was actually a faster process of elimination than I thought, because I was kind of certain we would go with this door. Now, the nice thing is, building out the bathroom for the second bed and breakfast room this winter, we need a door to put in for the toilet room, because the toilet in France almost always is separate if you have the space.
Right. It's a separate water closet room.
Yes.
Inside the bathroom.
Yeah. So these doors are not yet lost, so we can.
Oh no, we've got plenty of
great.
places for them to go.
It's fantastic,
Right.
but I would say, Stuart, let me know when you're done with cutting the door down, so we and the frame, so we can hang it together.
Okay.
Oh, so we are decided. Then we're going to try.
Yes, let's try it with the door from the farm with the glass in it.
Okay, I think that's great, and well, we have half a day tomorrow that we can actually start the process. How about it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just to have a visual, I need visuals. Clearly the door is too big, needs to be cut to size. It's going to be hinged on this side. So the lock is going to be here. But I think this is the best option, don't you?
Yeah.
Or you knew that beforehand. But now I know that too. So let's go with this. And we're going to work on the frame. And once the frame is in, then this will be cut to size. But what I can already do is do the wood repair that's needed for the door to last another 100 years. So let's go. Okay, here we are, decided on the door we're using. There's some old repairs which are fine. Nothing wrong with them. Okay, let's fill those so they can dry and I can start painting the door. This is interior and exterior sealant, and it's acrylic, so it's paintable.
and this is the good stuff.
Now, I have to say that Emmaus visit was dismal at best, so they couldn't find anything. I don't think Tony and Jane found anything either. So we just went out for lunch and that was fantastic. We have a wonderful new restaurant not far from here, right off the lake. It's beautiful and it's all real French country cooking. It's delicious. So that was great. And again, Emmaus not so great, but great progress here. We started to work on the door, and Stuart will now have to build out a frame for here. We need to cut the door to size once the frame is in, so we know exactly how wide the door can be. And and then we need to build a transom, which will have not much of a window in it. Maybe, I don't know, I estimate it's like this much, but every bit of light helps. So that's going to be fantastic. And this makes such a difference because we now have much more storage, and we can eventually start to build out these rooms to use them as future bed and breakfast rooms. So not bad, good week, and thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, please use the like feature to let us know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Journey to the Chateau YouTube channel if you would like to see more. Once you've subscribed, you can tap the notification bell in order to ring it, which will allow you to receive all notifications from our channel. Thank you.